Hi, and welcome to our series of video tutorials for the web console. Today I'm going to show you how to edit the details on your Contact Us page and add a Contact Us form to it. Before we begin, let's have a quick look at a Contact Us page. You'll see that this page doesn't just have the phone number and address of the business, it also has a Google map embedded in it to help with directions, the company's opening hours, links to their social media pages, multiple office locations, and the ability to contact the company via an online form. This makes it very easy for people to contact this company in a variety of different ways. Before we add a new Contact Us page, let's make sure all of our details are correct by clicking on Settings in the top right-hand corner and then Account Settings to the left here. Let's check that our locations are correct first by clicking on Locations. You can see here that our head office in Sydney is here, but we also have a location in Brisbane that I need to add. So I'll click Add Location and fill in the details of the physical address here. The postal address is the same, so I'll leave this field set to Yes. But if it wasn't, I'd change it to No and then enter the postal address for the location. Because the Sydney address is our head office, I'll leave the default address here set to No. Now I just need to click Save and my new location will appear. Next, let's check that our social media accounts are correct so that the links that appear on my Contact Us page are pointing to the right places. To do this, I simply click on Social Media. Straight away, I can see that I haven't entered in my Facebook URL, so I'll do this now. Everything else here is correct, so I'll click Save to save the changes I've made here. Now that my contact details are correct, I need to enable my Contact Us form by clicking on Website Settings and then Contact Form. By enabling word verification, I will be asking those who fill out the form to prove they are human by typing the text that appears in an image into a box, just as I'm doing here. This will help prevent your form from being spammed by computer programs, or bots as we sometimes call them. When somebody fills out your form, the web console can automatically send an email to you, the inquirer, or somebody else. To enable this feature, choose Yes here, and then edit the email. Choose your recipient for the email. My email, if you want to be alerted every time somebody fills out the form. Inquirer's email, if you want to immediately respond to the person filling out your form. Or Other, if you'd like to send an alert to somebody else, such as your marketing department or customer service team. The text you enter into the email subject field will appear as the subject in the recipient's inbox. You can choose where the email will be sent from too. You can enable or disable this form whenever you want by toggling between the enabled fields here. Lastly, you need to enter some text into the body of this email. When you are done, click Save Autoresponder. If you are using a third-party tracking tool to measure your email conversions, such as Google Analytics, you can enter the code that this program gives you here. This will help you measure your metrics to work out how well the contact form is working for your website. Lastly, you can choose whether to use the default form or the detailed form. Personally, I recommend using the detailed form, but it's really up to you. Now that I'm done, I'll save my changes and then preview my Contact Us page on my website. I recommend that you test the form too, to make sure that it's working how you intended it to. Well, that brings us to the end of this video tutorial. Keep in mind that there are plenty more videos like this one that will help you get the most out of the web console. Thanks for watching.